एक ही अकेला बंदा
Coming up, roughly in the cash game.
ऊपर उतरो तेरे पास और उतरा
I love the way you activate your hips and push your ass out. Gotta put the roll in so bad I'm about to pass out. Wanna dig you, and I can't even lie about it, baby. Just alleviate your clothes, I'ma fly out. Catch you at the club, your hips have got me feeling. Body talking through to me, but I think I ran the meaning. Now if you wanna roll with me, then here's your chance for me, lady, on the freeway. Catch me if you can, but give me in my ride. Still I'm just a simple man, all I want is money plus the fame. I'm a simple man, Mr. International, player with a passport, just like a Latin switch. Get you anything you ask for, either him or me. The champagne, Hennessy, favorite of my homies when we floss on our enemies. Witnesses we creep to a low speed, beat what my foes need. Make some emojis, you don't need. Approaching women with a passion, been a long day, but I've been driven by attraction in a strong way. Your body is banging, baby, I love the way you're flowing. Time to give it to daddy, sugar, man, tell me how you rollin'. Tell me, baby, is it cool to touch? Tell the man that you can trust, not just a fool and lust. Coming to get you on the bus, it's so ironic. Exotic on the verge of a rock. I'm hitting switches on misses like I've been fixing. I drive my up and down like a roller coaster. Gonna come inside you, I ain't stopping till the show is over. Cause I'm a rock, in and out just like a robbery. A party be a freaking let you get on top of me. The rockin' knees, nights full of Alizé. A living legend, you ain't heard about the players living Cali days. The Lord's Chucky, you were fake to me. Instead of trying to help a brother, wanna take a tease. Mistaking me for Bill Clinton, Mr. Bob Dole. You're too old to understand the way the game's so. You're lame, so I gotta hit you with the hot tracks. Once I'm released, I'm making millions trying to top that. They wanna sex me, they'd rather see me in my cell. It's living hell, only a few of us a little tail. Now everybody talking about us, I ain't giving up with everyone that taught us all to cut. Come on, tell me how you want it. How you want it? I was raised as a youth, till you forgot the scoop on how to get bulletproof. Sex busting off the roof when I was a teenager. Mobile phone, sky pager, game rules, I'm living major. My adversaries is getting worried, they paranoid, they're getting worried. One of us gon' see the cemetery. They wonder if my lifestyle changed, and am I through with all the pain? Surviving in this game, it's still the same. I need just meet me at the strip club, bring a thong. Look how they shaking for that cash, I'm getting it on. I had no sympathy for those afraid of mystery. Come get with me, I promise passion and ecstasy. I'm alone, can I come over there tonight? Depend on me to one to handle it and get it right. Your body is banging, baby, I love the way you're flowing. Time to give it to daddy, sugar, and tell me how you want it. Tell daddy how you want it.
She all about the cloud, real imposter. Lost her, she slid up in my DM, then I sauced her. Oops, boss up, ain't nobody like me, so don't act like you like me. Cloud, 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 real imposter. Lost her, she slid up in my DM, then I sauced her. Oops, boss up, ain't nobody like me, so don't act like you like me. Cloud, cloud, cloud. Hold up, I got a chip on my shoulder. See this chick gone, know her, but she all up in my DM. Hold up, hold up, shit. I don't really know you, no, but I know your kind. You got a scheme like Ponzo. Venom hits fast, she a snake like that, though. Then you lay down flat, ho. I might be joking, but I'm trying for real. She already been inside my head and now she going for the kill. I'll be all about the love, but her leash won't stop. And I'm all about my shit, but the top got me stuck. Now she tripping this facts, man. She took her the fake fans. She ghosted me hard now, might as well call me Pac-Man. Okay, now we taking it all back, cause I never gave a fuck, just enough to make it she all about the cloud, real imposter. Lost her, she slid up in my DM, then I sauced her. Oops, boss up, ain't nobody like me, so don't act like you like me. Cloud, 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 real imposter. Lost her, she slid up in my DM, then I sauced her. Oops, boss up, ain't nobody like me, so don't act like you like me. Cloud, cloud. She all about the cloud like I don't get wild, oh. Ain't about the money, she dopamine high, though. She will kill a puppy if that will make her viral. And she want it all without knowing her mind spinning like a spiral. Living in vain, she love the pain, she my nemesis. Sip of the glass, trying to forget, let me take a piss. Like that, trick got game, but it's rotten like Michael. See back lane too fast for a snapshot. Perfect pick frame, but she living at her dad's loft. Priorities, fucked up indeed. She creeping, we flee, she sting like a bee. What? Yeah, I got you figured out, fuck that. Don't wanna tip that, what? Yeah, that's fresh, bitch, UPS, FedEx, packet that shit. She all about the cloud, real imposter. Lost her, she slid up in my DM, then I sauced her. Oops, boss up, ain't nobody like me, so don't act like you like me. Cloud, 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 real imposter. Lost her, she slid up in my DM, then I sauced her. Oops, boss up, ain't nobody like me, so don't act like you like me.